How to fix data coherency exception blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen of the BSOD error on your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute first DISM tool to scan your system for checking system health. These three DISM tool execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time and let the window complete the DISM tool scanning process. Thereafter execute sfc scan now command. Sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Window will now verify your system for any corrupted files. Wait till 100% verification completed. After that, restart your system and check whether your blue screen of death BSOD error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Same window, run chkdsk command. Type chkdsk/r and press enter. Thereafter, check the next time the system restart, choose yes and press enter and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to run command box, our shortcut key, and here type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl to open program and feature window in control panel. And here look for any problematic app, conflicting app which having issues and recently you have installed and problem arises, then simply select it and choose uninstall. Select it and choose uninstall. Follow on screen instruction to complete the uninstallation process and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. Here from the left side, click on privacy and security. Choose Windows security and click on virus and threat protection. And here choose scan options. Here you will find 4 options. Choose full scan and finally click on scan now. It will scan your system for any viruses and after that restart your system and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the one more fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run option. Restore your system window. Type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open system restore windows. Here restore system files and settings. Click on next. And here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose show more restore point and choose a recently restoration point and click on next. And finally confirm your restoration point. Choose finish. Screen instruction to complete the process. After that, restart your system and your blue screen error will definitely be resolved.